First of all, I request you please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon so that you can get my latest video lecture on Master Computer Vision from notification list. In this lecture, we will talk about sorting contours in OpenCV with Python. Sorting contour is quite useful when doing image processing. So there are two types of sorting. Sorting by area can assist in object recognition, eliminate small contours that may be nice, extract the largest contour. Sorting by spatial position using the contour centroid. Contour centroids are used to sort characters left to right and process images in a specific order. Now we will see our code. Import required packages or libraries. Import CV2 library. Import NumPy as NP library. Import matplotlib and import CV2_IMShow function from Google Colab. First of all, load our image from Google Drive. We use CV2.imRead function to read image from our Google Drive. Our image name is bunchofshapes.jpg, which is stored in images, and image folder is already uploaded on my Google Drive. Okay, show original image which we have read from above line. Okay, plot.figure, draw a figure of size 10,10 and show, and plt.imShow method or function is used to show image on screen. Plot.xticks, close.xlist and pass empty list, and whiteticks also pass empty list. Create a blank image with same dimension as our loaded blank_image, which is a variable. np.0 image.shape 0 image.shape of 1, and 3 is color channel or depth of channel of an image of our blank. This is the width of our blank image and this is the height of our blank. Create a copy of original image. Original image is equal to image. Actually, when we draw contours around an image, then image will be changed. So there we have a copy of our original grayscale our image. It means to convert our RGB image into grayscale, take a variable gray and call CV2 function CV2 color, pass our original image, and then apply this function on our original image to convert from BGR to gray. Find Kenny edge CV2.Kenny, pass the gray image and pass the minimum threshold and pass the maximum threshold, which is 200. This block of code show our Kenny edge detectors, which we extract from this line of code. Now we find contours and print how many contours are found. Contours, hierarchy is equal to CV2.find contours, edge.copy, CV2.retrieve external. It means extract the contours of image from the boundary line, and chain_proxy_run. It returns the points of contours, means starting and ending points. Number of contours found. Use length function of Python to find the length of contours. Draw all contours. Now we will use draw contour functions to draw all contours on our blank image. In this function we will pass our blank image, our contours which we have already drawn from find contours method, and -1 means draw all contours on our image. This is 0,255,0. This is the color of our contours and this is the color depth of our contours. Take a figure of size 10,10 and plot our blank image, and x-ticks is empty and y-ticks is empty, means there is no x scale and also y scale. Draw all contours over blank image. Use again draw contours method to draw contours around the original image. Contours -1 means draw all contours. This is the color of our contours and this is the thickness of color of contours. Draw a figure of size 10,10 again and show our original image, and we don't need x-ticks and y-ticks. Now we run the cell and see the result. Okay, so our cell is executed. Okay, this is our original image which contains 4 shapes. It means 4 sub-images. First of all, this rectangle, and second is a triangle, and this is a square, and this is a circle. The next image show the Kenny edge detector. Actually, the boundaries of these shapes are called the contours of these shapes. So now we extract the contours from these shapes from these shapes and then draw on our blank image these contours. Actually, these are not rectangle, but they are all contours which we have already extracted from above code. This is our blank image. On this blank image, we will draw our contours. Contour 1, contour 2, contour 3, and contour 4. It means there are 4 contours in our image. This is our original image. On our original image, we have drawn these contours around this shapes of our image. Okay. Next, we sort contour by area. First of all, import cv2 function and import numpy as np function. Function we will use to display contour area. First, we define a function. This function get contour area of our above contours. Okay, this is the name of our function, and these are the contours which we have already drawn. Return the area of all contours as list. We define a list all underscore area and it lies as empty in on start. Now we run a loop into our contours. Take a variable c and t. Actually, this is a loop variable, and iterate through all contours which we have extracted already from the above code. Now we take a variable area and cv2 dot count area function. Count area function actually calculate the area of an contour. What is the area of a contour? Actually, the area inside the contours is called the area of contours. It means these are the contours, and inside this space is called the area of an contour. When we get area of all contours, then we append this area of contours into our empty list all underscore areas, and then our function return all underscore areas means a list of areas of all our contours. Okay, load our original image again, and this code is used to read image from a file. In this case, my image is uploaded on Google Drive. Original underscore image and is equal to image. Let's print the area of the contours before sorting. Contour area before sorting. Print get underscore, call the function get underscore contour underscore area and pass the contours which we have already extracted or calculated. Okay, sort contours large to small. It's mean in ascending orders. Okay, sort underscore contours, take a variable and use and call the Python function sorted and pass the contours and key cv2 dot contour area and reverse is equal to true. Okay, contour area after sorting, please call get function and pass the sorted underscore contours variable. Okay, sorry. Iterate over our contours and draw one at a time. Draw a figure of size 10, 10 and take a loop and iterate, and this loop iterated in sorted underscore contours area variable. Okay, d is equal to, it's mean draw cv2 dot draw contours on original image. C mean our first contour and minus all mean all contours. Sorry, C mean our first shape of image, and this is the color of contours. This is the thickness of our contours. Plot data show original underscore image. Plot underscore xtx empty and plot dot vertex is also empty. It means we don't need x scale and y scale. Now we run the cell and see the output. Okay, first we see the area of our contours one by one. This is unsorted list of our contour areas, and contour area after sorting. So this is the largest contours. It's mean largest area of contours. It's mean this area. It's mean the area of this shape is this, and the area of this triangle is this, and the area of this square is this, and the area of this circle is this. Now our areas of contours has been sorted. Thank you very much. See you in the next lecture.